Yo, what up guys, Frankie Tabor here from Stvtement in the Cherry Hill Mall, and today we're making mystery boxes for you guys. So, our last video on TikTok went crazy, went viral, we got 1 million views on it, so we're gonna mimic that and we're gonna do it again here on YouTube. We're gonna start with a $500 box, a $1,000 box, a $1,500 box, and then we have one special mystery box at the end that's gonna be going to a special someone, but you guys have to stay tuned for that. This is the first box. This is going to be $500 box. So we got here first Jordan 5 Fire Red 5s. This one we got a Yeezy box, 350 size 10.5. Some butters used. Jordan 4. Looks like Fire Red 4s. So used, clean though. This looks like a Denim 3 box, and it is Denim 3s. Replacement statement box. Let's see. Got a red suede, size 9.5. Nike box. Looks like a Presto acronym. Personally love the shoe. This is the hardest part about making boxes, but we figured this one out quick. Alright, is that good? No. Next box. This is the $1,000 box right here. I don't know what's in it yet. Alright, so it looks like we have the Jordan 11s. So about these boxes is you can get them on our website at www.stvtement.shop. These boxes that you're physically seeing right now is going to be a box that one of you guys get. We have like 20 more boxes to make, but these boxes are actual boxes that will be sent out to you guys. Hopefully one of you guys YouTube it and show it because that's cool to see. This Sunday coming up is the last drop before we get into memberships. We want to make it fair to everyone, so we're going to have to release a membership, which is going to include a lot more, and I'll talk about that later on, not on this video. Let's get back into the box. We got the Chameleon 6s or All-Star 6s, whatever you want to call them. We got University Gold 12s. Looks like we got a 1 box. Size 12. Ooh. Core Purple 1.0s. Good shoe. Oh, I love these. I have these personal. They're really clean. They might be dead stock. Human Race, all black. This is like the newest one. And then the last shoe is a replacement box. Statement box, doesn't say a name on it. Easy blushes. Alright, let's get into this $1,500 box. I'm excited to see what we're putting in there because I personally didn't make these boxes. One of my guys did. So far, they look really good and I have no complaints about them. So let's get to the next box. I didn't find a box yet. I probably have to go to Home Depot and grab some boxes, but this is the $1,500 box. All right, we got a Yeezy 500. Ooh, very clean, Supermoon yellows. 350. Ooh, some frozen yellows. I remember when these things were going for thousands. I'm sure every sneakerhead could say that. I still like this shoe as if it was a $1,000 shoe. A 4 box. Raptor 4s. Oh, these are the OVO ones too. So are they considered Raptors or are they OVO 4s? I think they're OVO 4s. Ones box. Everyone likes seeing ones boxes nowadays. Got a Game Royal. This box is beat up. Jordan 7 hairs. Not bad. Pretty clean. This, I'm pretty sure, was from my buyout in the last video with Corey from the Lamborghini video. I'm pretty sure I bought these then. So guys, the object of these boxes, by the way, most of them will always be like used. I mean, there's some new, but most of the time it's used. The object of it is for you guys to clean up the shoes in the box and then resell them somehow, whether it's your Instagram or GOAT or something like that. Object is for you guys to make money. We value them very low. So we kind of go off the lowest on GOAT, even if the shoe is a lot cleaner than the lowest one on GOAT. So it should be super easy for you guys to make money. We got the, what the fours? These things climbed up. I remember these things were like sitting. And fours have been doing crazy lately. Last shoe. Ooh, you guys know what this box is right here? But real quick, guys, if you guys are interested in the boxes and you want to start getting into the membership, send me this emoji right here and text it to this number down below. Text me the box emoji, and I'm gonna try to give some of my subscribers a chance to get early access to the membership. So last shoe, crazy hitter. Whew. The South Beach LeBrons. These are crazy. These things were going for so much money back then. I know they still hold the value, obviously. Size 9.5. That's a good box. Now, we're gonna get into this last box. I don't have it boxed up for a reason because I want you guys to see it. Connor TV has hit me up and he dropped a comment and he's like, yo, make me a box. We reached out to him, he paid us for the box, but his box is gonna be a little bit different. The next box now is gonna be a personal box. So this isn't with him intending on selling it. It's gonna be a lot of clothing and stuff like that. So he tells me his sizes and stuff like that, and this is gonna introduce it into that. So you can watch it on his video, but let's get into it, and hopefully he's not watching to see this box. All right, guys, so the last box, this is for Connor TV. Now this one, like I said, it's not going to be to make profit and stuff like that, but this is just simply he wants to spend $1,000 on some cool pieces for himself. Now he doesn't know what he's gonna get in it, and hopefully he's not watching this video. There's some crazy things in here, and I know he's gonna be stoked about this. First one right here, Bape duffel bag. Have one of these personally, love it. It's decent size, it's a good gym bag or a good little, night out bag. A couple Bape socks here. Got some black ones, some purple ones, and then the Busy Works plain white one. Juice WRLD V-Lone tee. Good tee, hopefully he likes Juice WRLD. Bape tee, I think this one's called the junk food tee. It's got the Bape head with a ton of little Milos and some like French fries, burgers, stuff like that on it. Bape, I believe it's called Space Camo. I'm just gonna put this to the side now. I'm gonna get into this last because this is nuts. When you guys see what this is, it's crazy. We got an Antisocial Fragment collab t-shirt. Fire tee, love these. They came in 3 different colors. Then we got a little Bape waist bag here. Wear it as a crossbody, whatever. Nice little quality leather bag here. This piece is pretty cool. Off-white shorts. I think he's gonna love these. We got summertime coming up. I think he's really gonna like these. Now to get into the last thing, it's crazy, like I said. So think about the value on all these things, and now we're talking, he paid $1,000 for this box. It hurts to send this out to him, but I know he's gonna fall in love with it. So I'm gonna get right into it, guys. So this is the soon-to-be released Jordan 1 University Blue. These things are crazy, and this is not a review video, but let me talk about it for a second. The suede on this shoe is gorgeous. I truly think these shoes are gonna fly off the shelves, and I think they're going to be very expensive. I think they're gonna hold a crazy value. I think it's gonna be, if not the same as Mocha's, just because of the quality alone. I mean, the colorway is awesome. It's gorgeous. It has nice tones to it. The blue is nice. They did a great color blocking on it. It's simple, it's clean. But then on top of it, unlike the Mocha's, they used some quality material in this shoe. The suede is so soft, the toe box is so soft, all the leather's super tumbled. It's just such a nice shoe, but this is his size. Like I said, he told me his size. So, as you've seen, there was some blue pieces in there that we personally sent him so he could throw a little fit together with it. For him to get an unreleased shoe is gonna be nuts. He's gonna go crazy for this. I got a couple of them early. I got, I think, 10 pairs or so early. Yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Like I said, text me if you're watching up to this point. We can grab you guys a box and you guys can get early access because there's gonna be a ton of stuff, steals. We're gonna sell sneakers for retail, early sneakers for super cheap. We're gonna do all this on our membership site, so just text me. We're also gonna throw a ton of free stuff in here that we're not gonna mention, a lot of statement branding stuff, but we're not gonna mention on the video. So if he does watch this video, there still is a good amount of surprises in this box. All right, guys, so that concludes this video. As always, I do something for you guys. So once again, text this emoji if you want to be entered to win the free mystery box giveaway that we're going to be doing in the middle of this month coming up, or text this emoji if you guys are interested in the memberships to get your own beater box and start flipping and start making some money. So this is the end of the video, guys. Hopefully Connor likes this video. You guys have to check out his video so that you can see, what else extra that we threw in the box. But as always, guys, like, share, always hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.